James.
Anda binaka tu anda binabe kemini bekanda ni betoka rebel mena matani kwa. Thank you very much for the love. Thank you very much for the life. Thank you very much for the sunshine.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for everything.
Right.
I would like to take this time too to thank each and everyone who wishes me for my birthday.
Okay.
On Friday, Saturday. Thank you very much for your love.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for nanumuni binanumi.
Yeah.
And also yesterday.
Yeah.
I would like to thank Redstone Yambaki
Turang nita.
from Solondamu.
Yo turang nita also.
Yeah, it's my kai.
Yeah.
It's my kai when he married to the island of Mbau.
Yeah. So he's your naitano.
Yeah, now Naita.
Yeah.
To Redstone, Yambaki Redstone
Exchange man.
Exchange.
Sorry.
From Solondamu Tabuki Kandabu yesterday.
Yeah.
I was he surprised me.
Oi.
With he provided something for the birthday.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry that I didn't come on Friday and Saturday due to some commitment.
Yeah.
I just come today. I wanna wish you a happy birthday. After this, you will see the post on the VTFM Facebook page of the celebration. He surprised yesterday. One cake.
Yeah.
Go bitana indigo.
3, 6, probably 12 inch back.
Yeah, we are 12 inch na cake kotomayo. Turanganite.
Yeah.
And a picture of us.
Oi!
We was there at the top of the cake. Thank you very much if they're listening now.
Oh, pinakatamu kila siya de kanyo.
Oh?
Oh, betul tampo tu dah sini keke.
Alright.
Oh, pinakatamu kila de kanyo.
Awatabale from matatahin lami iwane selala.
Oh, right.
Thank you. We was there yesterday. I was telling the story.
Yeah.
I told him that myself,
Yeah.
I already promised myself that I won't drink grog.
Why?
Unless and until
Yeah.
there's one big occasion like on Songon dinner.
Then you'll drink.
Yeah, then can drink grog. And the fella said,
Yeah.
hey, I dreamt you, au tanray ko na si Warumbuka.
Oi!
You will reach 100 years. Iku nambagin donan raw nabekang. Nanguna sa tukun mekino ko biya you'll reach 100 years.
Yeah.
I was like this.
Yeah.
Mana.
Oh,
Molly.
Something come receive it.
Oh, I receive
Claim
it. I receive it.
Yeah.
Then from there, the fella told me,
Yeah.
you know what? Your birthday,
Yeah.
if you want to kneel by mouth from grog,
Yeah.
you'll be kneel by mouth like 1 week. Now,
Yeah.
you are still in birth.
Right.
Dona mada wana nomusudu, nomusangala kumai,
Yeah.
walimbula durtu walimbula sinangala kumengo. That's why I'm here. So,
Yeah.
after this, if you want to tambu, then tambu.
Ano na bulo? Elano burakina. Sama cukup matari ko madamangal talaga ano binaka. Hirna iya tetin dito wadi lebuka. Maka kina bi polri ni mamay na ano to toka may kadabu. Ana korre binaka ko na mar.
Iyo. From there, the fella told me I was like this. Isa. Mendua,
Iyo.
melako tunga may baka niniwina to ni sinsu duwe yau.
Right, dina sara.
May nandua tali na sana.
Iyo.
Kero friend nga.
Iyo.
Mingke sulit tu nandina no na ngauna no na yau.
Iyo.
I was like this.
Kaya
Senga.
non the friend dina.
Iyo. Osa bango yau senga yau musa nandona tanoa.
Iyo.
Sigalebu tutu na noa.
But you want to back off first.
Huh?
You want to back off. You don't want to drink rum.
Because I already promised, eh?
Yeah.
When I see the fella come with all the belonging, na loloma, na keke, na kake, the usapang ko isa. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
We will grow today.
There's one thing Naita said.
Yeah.
Your celebration should be 1 week.
Yeah, the fella said,
Yeah.
already said on yesterday.
Yeah.
1 week the celebration.
Right.
Thank you very much to the people from Solondamu, Tabuki Kandabu.
Yeah.
He provided them and everything.
Oi.
This is your birthday.
Yeah.
This is our time.
Right.
I'm sorry that I won't come. Now,
Yeah.
I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
You are not my tau.
Yeah.
You are not from Buanau.
Yeah.
You are from Bulia.
Yeah.
You are my kai. Yeah. Thank you very much. And also to Mrs.
Yeah.
To Andy Salote Komaitai.
Ano ba
Listening from TV Place now in Kinoya.
Ano
To
ba
Chewe.
Yeah.
Redstone Kandabu be Yambaki Redstone.
Yeah.
Thank you very much kay Nongo binabali usar na Loloma. And also to everybody
Yeah.
listening out there who doing the well wishes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Turun naik numuni sapa nandok me ako gabi baka tatay pali.
Oh,
Gabi baka tatay pali.
wala tayo pala namatin ng buru.
Meron na ko ikimri kaya ngoni buli from Nubitu ni
Yes.
Lesiru Secondary School baka na ka may bimbulu elano. And namatagli ko pero mga na ka bulu na bila senia.
Iya.
Meli ni adele buto
Oh,
night.
thank you very much
Nasa
to
Waliw.
Milne Adelebu for the
another one from Kandabu.
Another one from Kandabu
Yeah.
who give
Yeah.
the surprise for the gifted.
Elina
of
linga
the
tambua.
birthday.
Ada binaka, bukan binaka bertolia teti ni Nasinu secondary school.
Today is an English paper for the Form 7, so for the year 18. Best well wishes from us gang, from the Dambisinga gang, and also to the parents who are being there supporting the children and the guardian. Thank you to the Mbumbu, to the Tutu, who support the student. Thank you very much.
Total of 9,088 students will be sitting there for their year 13 exam, starting today with their English paper. Okay, Nikua, ento talaga na talo no lega nga kiwa sa talo tagauti. Ano ba kaili kitorda? Ko pembaleta na bimbolembole ni mudian kona.
Okay, this is a story. You know, when we are there without Tamale, nobody want to lose, like yesterday. So, this Tamale, he is a chaser.
Nadola Junior, Echo, Burmanaka.
He is a sleeping chaser.
Bubala na Echo, sleeping chaser.
He is a sleeping chaser.
All right.
So when he sleep, he during grog he sleep. He chase sleep.
Right.
So the Tamale there doing the carry. Sangay do carry to namin no Tamale. He didn't like this. If it's like tough. Hey. Kari, kari ya.
Oh, satu ko nga ni mo doon.
Iyo. Mesan daw kung tumango ko sa makilan sakar na mena. Sang nubang ko sambang umbang na lamana. Hey, kari, sinberen na kong bamit. Kari ya tapa. Moyan ra mo drink. This you chase a mother. You never go and fill the bucket. You never there to ombo. You never somakosa. You there, you namusuki. And everything you hear, you just sleep. So from there, the fella, like
dan benak may naroy. May naroy may muala mana tulaw.
Dombulan.
Ada benak kanibalu tua papalangi.
When the fella do, he sleep. He remove his head. Baka mendo lupa. May lupa to na sigilin. Do kata-kata. Lupa to na sigilin. From there, this fella got baka mendo na sumuna lili.
Oh, okay.
Daw tinda ko na bango.
Kalim sarang.
Kalim kemraw. Daw na sumuna lib. Matu imuri ko baka mendingo nandingo lili.
Baka may mata di suit talitu.
So one student was there.
Ekari.
Sini
ekari.
Banga me ko. Hey, ekari me da. So this kid was moving around. He occasion domi boli.
Tanongan lelai, tanongan rami.
You know, when somebody upside down, menta war tombu itu endo. You know, kids come they like meraponto wasitu.
Yanra, we have stage 5.
So when they horse rider, the kids coming, the kora papalelengo. Gairino kora ma nandingo. Kona bakatu na sumuna.
Ano masalit tamu tu kinoko si segunda konitsunga.
Santa tu, batombu engune ngor tu batombu itu. Baka me masa.
Sa santa be mode. Sa santa be mode.
Ke chesa ken rusaranga. Mengen to banda tinga. Ekari ya tapa.
So the small kid.
The small kids crawling around. When crawling around, he coming, he saw this fall upside down.
Matanra, do tani.
When the upside, query then don't kalile, you know, kids they up replay. He see like this, he see the summon. Ngoro na sumuna. Sini sumuna nandigo lili. Tapi dingo lili. Tumbu. Dingo tumbu. So when he come like this, he saw.
Smile.
He smile. The kids on gisa.
Tirana semper may taon.
Semper may taon. Apa kata ko lang biya tutu? Aribong ko sarita na mata ni sud. Alang sarangan nong ni sando. Hande akilaw para tutu. Arengan no he come like this close. He see the eyes na mata na. He tutu. Alang mo ikinto ka tumer. Hey! Ano ba? Asinida ba mo tu? Abang ko isa papa. And ano mo papa dito to sabang aming go tabale na on the side. Do was bamet. He was like this too. Hey. Rangone papa. Kuang gori. Ngori sini tutu. Kila ke ba hindi na tangang gori. O mau weekend na langi. Kene karua. Na sinay wala ka nakete mo na weli. Bebe mutu di sarang o papa. Nila
kura papa.
Kura orang sasik nyo kandi nako. Nana mamam.
Awa chili mana itu. Awa chili mana itu sama papa. Sama mi go papa. Sama semua papa. Nganga.
Asin berapa malu kakak. Melna lewu, minaba lewu. Dong boleh minaba cewek.
Kasih papa nganga.
Na wotia. Sa woti na mata tutu ya. Asa katalinindo ya kaliko ya. Sa kaliko ya sarang taradala. Ote kanda kila lindo ekali ote mbongi ba takana kena kakana.
Dan teman kita tak lewe ya kita sotam tu kono Andre.
Iya.
Na ila bo chukina.
Iya.
Kita ba ko bina lewe ko tamu ya.
Nda susundingo.
Tutu.
John Kumar, kenapa leu? Mere pembui?
Woi sekali. Ya ora kami lagi anda binaka mere bumbu anda binaka do bui na udi. John Kumar ni anda binaka from Barara Valley di Singapore kami. Ya kami na mabasu ya na iya 13 ver na lubenda. All the best and nomini first paper di kona English. Kena vitarong isa toka matamunin ang ngono ko
Iya. Damson Rock.
Iya.
Yan re miaw yan re.
Iya, nama tanah nangon itu. Rida tanah kaya nak karanta sin rida.
Iya.
Rida.
Ber tali tu na break start ko na kanda kay ni wana ngor
Dina,
na
sir.
bitaw di. Nalingan ra.
Iya.
Kita tal nga sa taramang ko na kurais.
Bukan tua.
Kita woo.
Iya. Nalinga ta tolo do
Iya, the
Ben
fastest.
Valentine ada binaka Patiko. Ada binaka di Bakaloloma, ada binaka Megbull.
Right.
Nadola Junior, poni binaka Toke Tavea.
Iya.
Amoni Wara.
Dombula.
Isa. Kira sa poni binaka siya kaningo, madaw lagi ni karamita bin madongo.
Iya.
Kira sa poni binaka
Dal huli ti madongo?
Na diwali.
Di wali madongo?
Diwali siguro rumbu kasi.
Oh, totoka.
Iya. Paul ini mah binaboleh sa turangan night. Kira sa lomutiani.
Dombui na uri.
Iya.
Siya ni tukuno biyo na musini sudu. Lumota, sember ni ote no musini sudu tukuno to weka ya madawan dua. Poni binaka. Binabale be punches,
Right.
scan and win exciting prizes this Diwali.
Yeah.
Poni binang gonde Messi.
Kuru mundo ko. Ni mo tadi kalau ngata.
Right.